Students, in today's class we will learn about the different internal hardware devices. First is SMPS. SMPS mainly stands for switch mode power supply. It converts the high voltage power into low voltage power. SMPS switching is like a switching regulator that controls the output voltage, stabilizes the power mainly, and it offers a great power conversion and reduces the power loss. The power supply, as we all know, that power supply is a very important and useful component of a computer. Next is processor. When you talk about processor, we talk about CPU. As you know that CPU is the brain of the computer, and in CPU only all the calculation like arithmetic, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operations like greater than, less than, equal to all takes place. All the work that a computer can do is mostly controlled by CPU. Next is RAM. RAM stands for Random Access Memory, which is a temporary data storage to store different files and all. It is volatile, that is, the contents are lost when the power is switched off. Next is ports and connectors. A port serves as an interface between the computer and the other computer or peripheral devices. That means through this port we can connect the different peripherals. Peripherals are the devices that we attach to a computer from outside. The back of our desktop PC shows different ports and connectors to attach different peripherals. Ports are the connecting points where peripheral devices connect with the motherboard. So in this picture we have seen that there are different ports. For example, this green color port is mainly used to connect mouse. Next is the violet color port PS2. It is for connecting keyboard. Next here is RJ45 network. It is a port mainly used to connect different dongles and all, or you can say the networks. Also used for. Next is USB port. To connect any USB device we are using this USB port. Next is a parallel port which is mainly used for connecting the printers. Serial ports which are used to connect the monitors and all. This is game port which is used for connecting joystick and all. And lastly here we have seen 3 ports which are mainly for connecting the audio ports, that is speaker, microphone, headphone, etc. Next, coming to the topic hard drive or the hard disks. Hard disks are the secondary storage devices which stores the data permanently even when the computer is powered down. A hard disk can be of different sizes. Okay. So in this chapter, today's class we have learned about RAM, CPU, SMPS, ports and connectors, and hard disks. Thank you.